Hello! This is Atomy Specialist Curator Kim Ji-won. How should we solve the skin trouble that continues to be volatile as the season passes? Moisture and nutrition, which are the basic solution to skincare, you can easily resolve by using the Atomy Mist products that I'm going to introduce you today frequently. First, for 3 seconds until I go to the cosmetics table after wash face, it's Atomy 3-Second Beauty Water that can protect your skin's moisture. Laurel Leaf Extract moisturizes for long and long. Atomy 3 Seconds Beauty Water. First of all, this product is the first. Is Jeju really a clean island? It contains 100% organic laurel leaves from the clean Jeju area. Second, it is very fresh because it was harvested on the day. Then the third, delicate and thorough 2-stage extraction method. It contains the effective ingredients. Probably if you use this product, I think you will feel something special. The method to extract in 2 steps. I think everybody is curious about the process. I'll start to introduce. There are a total of 2 steps to extracting methods. First, hand drip extraction of the first stage fresh rib method, and then distillation extraction of the second stage fresh till method. It is said that these 2 major methods are carried out. The laurel leaves grown in the clean area of Jeju Island. First of all, it's a handmade-like method that's similar to the hand drip method. You've tasted a lot of ground coffee, right? In particular, hand drip coffee is put on the filtration paper. The coffee is extracted under the filter paper if the hot water is poured. You can think of it as similar to that method. The next step is now the fresh till phase. Here, through the method of distilling the extract extracted in the first step, it can contain the freshness and cleanliness of raw materials in an original way. You can just spray it with your eyes closed. You can feel the change in moist and vivid skin, and it will be very refreshing to the mood by adding the soft fragrance of the laurel leaf and the subtle aroma of eucalyptus. If you feel the moisture like this, next it's time to add a lot of nutrients. People with extremely dry skin like me will need cream. But this is not just cream. I will introduce you to Atomy Cream, which contains plenty of nutrition. Layering based, rescuing dry skin. Atomy Cream Mist. It contains a very mild ingredient of EWG green grade goat oil extract. It of course calms skin and helps to moisturize. There's a ceramide MP, oat kernel, and kelp extract, and in addition, it contains hyaluronic acid, so you can take care of your skin. You're reassured, right? This is not the end. A bottled extract that can soothe your skin. It contains to the extract of Hanye fructus leaf and fig extract. Even those with sensitive skin and little sensitive people safely use it. A moisturizing nutritional cream ingredient with a high-quality feeling filled with such good ingredients. A fine fog spray. A mist formulation will create a synergy effect. It can deliver deep to skin more moistly. It's great to be able to take care of your skin easily anytime, anywhere, right? And here's the outstanding technology of Atomy underneath. It contains high-quality polymers similar to the structure that make up the skin layer, which make it better to absorb. It is composed of polymers similar to natural moisturizing ingredients. It also reduces the amount of water evaporation, so you can solidly care inside and outside of your skin. Especially in the winter, when I spray it after makeup, the nutrients feel moist, so I'm not afraid of the cold wind outside or the heater wind in the office. Makeup is also finished cleanly when using for fixing additional makeup. As a result, in a dry car, in the office, I'm using this product very frequently and unconditionally. Another mist is Atomy Rose Rain Mist, which contains a bottle of nutrients from toner and essence. It's going to fully bloom by using Atomy Rose Rain Mist. That's the kind of fragrant name that just reminds me of the rose flower bloom drops. As the name suggests, it contains 20% of Western rose flowers. And particularly this product, as you could use it for the face, not only for the body, and in addition to hair. If you spray it once, Atomy Rose Rain Mist, you will feel like you are wet by just plain rose flower rain. In addition, we have carefully cared for ingredients such as aloe vera leaf water, which can help moisturize the skin, and Centella asiatica extract, which can help soothe the skin. If you apply body lotion as a body care product, those of you who think it is sticky and stale, we recommend this product so that you can use it lightly for the body care. Especially, I use this product like this for the head top. If you quickly spray all day, it scents around your nose like a sweet rose. It feels like I just took a shower. But you have to wash your hair. Don't forget! Atomy 3 Seconds Beauty Water, 11,800 won, 4,200 PV. Atomy Cream Mist is 12,800 won, 5,700 PV. Lastly, Atomy Rose Rain Mist is 10,000 won and 3,250 PV. The mist products that I showed you today are really easy to use. I just need to spray it. Do you have a lot of skin worries every day? And every day, the skin condition changes. I think it would be great if you use it evenly and thoroughly. Atomy will help. From now on, you should not be bothersome or difficult. There should be crowds who say it is hard to skincare. Atomy Mist contain good nutrient ingredients. And Atomy's unique technology is fully taken into, as you can use it easily at any time and anywhere. You put this nearby where your hands can reach and assign as a skincare specialist for me. Until now, this was Atomy Specialist Curator Kim Ji-won.